guys, let's do a little unboxing for Shein. So I got little things for Shein for my hair tools. This is bag, guys, my school bag for my son. Okay, this bag is very cheap, like 10 euro, 11 euro, something like that. So it's so beautiful, dinosaur. So now let's see how it's looking like. It looks good though. It look good, it's fine, it's beautiful. So the one I felt buy, that one is like expensive, almost 50 euro. It don't tear am. So I decided to buy cheap one now. If it tear am, I know say na 10 euro I take buy am, at least not to cost. So if it tear am, I buy another one. 10 euro. So it come like this. You get this small bag, you can just put it, maybe put some certain thing inside, and then another small bag again for pencil, biro, color things, whatever it is, sharpener, cleaner, all those things, gum. So this one, that one will enter inside. Which this one is the books. Put your booze, your lunch, and everything there. So yeah, this is the bag. Is fine, it's nice, it's beautiful. My son love it. It's the one that even choose itself. So here we have my roller. So this one I'm going to be using it to coil attachment that I will be using for my daughter hair. Easter is coming, so I want to coil the attachment that I want to use on her hair. So here I have wig cap, a full lace wig cap. So this one is, you can use it to make your buzz braid, whatever they call it, so it will look like you make it on your hair. So it's much cheaper than you just buy the buzz braid already made one. So I got two. One, this is the second one, the same thing. So two like this. It came with a comb inside and a rubber band that you can use to adjust to make it tight on your hair. This one, so you can just cover it like this. Hook, put the hook on the other side, so draw it to the size of your hair to make it stay put. So I got two. This one is hair growth oil, Olga hair growth oil. This is Zenic growth oil, guys. So I've not used this product before. I've seen it like a lot of video about this oil. So I decided to get it. When I saw it on Shein, I was so happy. So I decided to get it to try it on my hair as well. So a review will be coming. Just stay tuned, subscribe, okay? So I will be doing, see, have organ, have jujube, and have rosemary oil in it. So this is the weight bet, and it's too big for me. So forget the essay, then I get so but I will still use it sha. So I also get this brush for my daughter, because anytime I want to make her hair, she's always crying. So I get it. Before I will braid her hair, first of all use this one to comb it. It will make it more easier for me. Okay, I also use it on my hair too, to brush out my hair, to strengthen my hair and all that. So this is the little thing I got from Shein for my hair. Now the see person wey dey the back, they have been disturbing me. They want, if I plug my light, then we off it. So I decided to put her in her bed. Go and sleep. So guys, this is everything I got. This brush is going to do a lot for me, like for myself and for my daughter hair. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, follow my page if you are watching from Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate you for, if you subscribe. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you for subscribing. To my old and new subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my new video. So you can put it in high, in low, in hot, in cold, anyone that you want. I think I'll be using the cool one for my daughter, because I don't want to burn her hair. I don't want to burn her skin as well. So this is the end of the video. Then this one say, I want to show my face, so this is me.